Hello and welcome. Today, I'm here to show you how simple it is to enter costs in the Tabs 3 billing software. In Tabs 3, costs are classified as either expenses or advances. An expense, or a soft cost, would be considered any incidental type of office expenditure, including postage, photocopies, or travel expenses. An advance, or a hard cost, is incurred by the firm for a specific amount or price on behalf of the client, including processing fees or medical costs. When integrated with Tabs 3 financials, these types of costs can be added to Tabs 3 via the accounts payable software when an invoice or manual check is created and tracked in General Ledger using the Advanced Client Cost Report. Let's take a look at how easy it is to add a photocopy expense in Tabs 3. You can start by opening the cost entry window from the Quick Launch. Next, select the appropriate matter by typing in the client's name or clicking the drop-down arrow next to the Client ID field and selecting a matter from the list. Tab past the reference field to automatically assign a number to this transaction. The reference number can be used later to help you find that transaction if needed. Continue to tab through the entry to specify the date and the T-code. The T-code field sets defaults for various items in a transaction, such as the description, and it determines if the cost will be classified as an expense or an advance. Simply select the photocopy T-code. Next, you'll want to specify the units, rate, and amount if they're not already filled in based on your selected T-code. For example, if you specify 12 units because 12 photocopies were created, the units multiplied by our rate will calculate the total amount. Then, tab down to the description field to add any additional information. Once all of your cost information has been entered, simply click the Save button in the top toolbar or press Ctrl S on your keyboard to save. And that's all it takes to add a cost in Tabs 3 billing. Now, let's take a look at editing a cost and see some additional options. Double-click on the cost from the entry list below to pull the entry back up. So far, we've been viewing cost entry in rapid mode. If you click the Detail Rapid button in the toolbar, additional options will be displayed below the description field. The majority of these fields are controlled by your T-code selection, including the bill code and sales tax, but can be changed if needed. For example, the bill code can be changed from billable printable to non-billable printable if you decide to include this cost on a statement, but not charge the client for it. Next to the Detail Rapid option on the Cost Entry toolbar, you can also access or hide the list of previously entered costs by selecting the Toggle List button, or view the cost journal entries if you're integrated with Tabs 3 General Ledger. As you can see, Tabs 3 allows you to quickly and easily enter costs, while providing additional options when you need them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.